What?
Mom.
You want me to get those?
No.
What should I do with them? You're getting a bunch.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Do you want me to get them?
No.
Can I throw them?
No.
Please?
No. I want them to okay?
You what? Where are you putting them?
What?
I can't reach them.
What?
No, I can't reach them.
No, you don't.
What color is that?
It's pink.
Purple.
Purple.
One.
2.
2. Uh-oh. 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 Where'd Kira go? Grandpa, did Kira go home? Grandpa! There she is. Grandpa, did Kira go home? Did Kira go home already? Jeffrey, where's Kira? Where is she?
She knows about where she got it.
Speak!